I caught that. Man, I still want to do that. No. No wonder they said the beach closed. I want to do that. That was fun.
What?
Running across and then coming back. Wait till come back.
Yeah, right. I'm not coming out just to get you.
Yes.
You put it on YouTube.
Yes.
I'll put it to the wedding channel. Let's get a woman for the current good so we can charge the camera.
Look how far. There'll be another little drop right there.
Huh?
Where it stands like right there and it's
No, this is what it's going to look like on the beach. Chasing again. You understand?
And here a big one comes again. That's one of the They are stuck